Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change your header font in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your Squarespace account so that you'll be greeted by this dashboard right here where we can find all the websites we own. So I'm going to open up my website that I want to edit the header font for. So I'm going to open it up by clicking on it right here. That's going to open up in this new tab where, as you can see, this is our preview mode where I can take a look at my website right here, my products, content, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with changing the font of our header. Basically, what we want to do is to go ahead and select the edit mode option right here at the top of the screen. After you open up edit mode, this is now going to open up your website in edit mode. There you can see we can see our main section edited, our footer, and our header at the top of the screen. So what you want to do is click edit site header. So clicking edit site header is going to open up our header. Now we can see everything that is in our header. We can manage it and so on. And basically here's our site title. So if you have any text right here that you want to edit the header and the font for, so what you want to do is go ahead and select the text. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my text right here. Let's say I have any of the text right here, and it's going to enable you to change the font directly for the text. But we do not have any text and we want to change the font for all of our text. What we have to do is go back, exit out of edit mode, and go into the styles section right here on our website. After opening up styles at the right side of the screen, this is going to open up our site styles where one of the options is going to be managing our fonts. So here, as you can see guys, is our font. We can open up our font for our heading and select what font we want to use. So guys, as you can see, here are all the fonts we can use. So here is where to change your header font, and it's going to change the font for everything in your header. Basically, that's how it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.